guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make pale brown color. For this we need a container, a brush, some water, some red color, white color and brown color, basically a burnt sienna color. So let's get started. So to make the pale brown color, first we will take half part of red color, one part of brown or burnt sienna color and mix all these. And after that we are going to take one part first of white color and mix with it. And we'll now again take half part of brown or burnt sienna color more and mix with it. And here is our pale brown color ready. Let me show it to you by applying on paper. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, as most of the people don't subscribe to my channel. So please do it, as I also get motivated to make more such videos. And here is our pale brown color ready. Thank you for watching and have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.